Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a very long time, guys. I'm back now, okay? I'm back fully on my YouTube. I was away for few months. I'm sorry, guys. In today's video, we are doing a beautiful look. Please like this video, leave your comment at the comment section. Help me to share this video with your friends and loved ones, please. This video I'm just going to talk a little about the product that I use. I already moisturize and use my face primer, as you guys can see. So I'm using my foundation Ezekiel and Beauty Vogue. So I'm mixing the two foundation together just to get this makeup done. So I put it already. I'm just going to use my beauty blender to bring it down. As you guys know, we don't like any ash line on our makeup. Please, when you're doing your makeup, be very careful of the ash line. Make sure you blend it. So today we are using concealer classic. I said classic, sorry. Catherine. I'm using Catherine concealer. It's a little bit light, 01. That is the shade. This is my new technique, guys. I have a lot of new technique now on my makeup, okay? So I'll just blend everything down. When you are blending the concealer, please blend it to one direction. You see the way I'm blending it, so that it will not crease, okay? So just blend it to one direction. Make sure there is no ash line, guys. Please, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. If so, to God be the glory. Please let me know your comments concerning this makeup. Leave it on the comment section, whether good, whether bad. Give me thumbs up anyhow you want to, whether you want to bring the video down. Everything is welcome. It's better you say it so that I will know, okay, this makeup, my people don't like it, it was not given. Okay, just let me know what you think about this makeup on the comment section. So I'm using my foundation as a contour just to get that look I'm looking for, that beauty. So avoid any ash line. Just, you see, use your beauty blender, bring it down. Don't add any ash line to be showing. If you are seeing any ash line, I'm definitely going to bring it down. So I'm using my powder just to set before I bake, before I apply my setting powder. Don't apply your setting powder direct to your concealer. It will crease. You start seeing those funny line later. So use your cake powder to bring it down. Then you use your setting powder later. So I'm just trying to contour my nose, okay? This is all my new technique. I make that my eyebrow area to be a little bit dark. It's a little bit darker, okay? When I'm bringing it down, then it's light. I just want to get that place. I don't know how to explain, but if you are watching, you know that that place is a little bit deep. So this is the way I want. These are my new technique, okay, guys? So I'm applying my setting powder now, just to get that look to set under my eye, to avoid, you know, when it's summer, to avoid all those funny lines from my concealer. So I'm going to apply my brow. So when you are drawing your brow, guys, take time, okay? You know, brow is the ultimate of all. Is the oga pata of all when it comes to makeup. So the oga pata have to be treated in a nice way. So take time to draw your brow if you want your makeup to give. You know, our face is a beauty to the body. Even if you have a nice shape, you have a fine skin, when your face are rough, people don't see the beauty. So our face is the beauty to our body. That is the way that brow is the beauty to the makeup. So concentrate there. Okay, when your brow is good, your makeup is fine. When your makeup is fine and your brow is not good, it is not giving. Okay guys, so I'm just going to use my concealer just to bring it down. So I'm using my concealer to just to as in shaping my eyebrow. Let me put it like that. When you use your concealer, you want to get the nice shape, you want everything to pop out. Okay, so when you are using it's when you apply your concealer, take it up so that later it will be very easy for you to blend. When you don't blend it down or take it up, when you want to blend it, you can mistakenly clear your brow. That is not what you want. Abi, okay, for that not to happen, so as you are apply your concealer, you see this upper lid now, I am taking it up, okay, so that when I want to blend, I will not just come near to the brow again. Okay, so that is the essence of taking it up or blending it down. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure they look alike. You have to try your best. They may not be exactly, but let them look alike. Okay, there are some twins that don't look alike. There are some natural eyebrow, they don't even look alike. Natural one, so the hair will go down, the other one will go up. Yes, but we are trying our best, okay, to make sure they look exactly. Okay, even if there's any difference, it will not be pronounced. Okay, so I'm applying my eyeshadow now. I just want to do this look. I love this white color, just pressing it down. And I'm using this mini palette from Revolution. It's mini, it's very small, but it is giving. Look at it, it's giving what I want. I love them. I have about 4 of them, but I tell you, this eyeshadow is, it may not that big, but it's working back to back. So I'm using this brown just to bring it down. As you can see, I'm applying the brown inside just to get this look. I don't know how to explain it, but just watch. I will apply the brown, then I will later blend everything. I don't need all those harsh lines. Okay, just to bring it down so that the makeup can look nice. Okay guys, I miss you all. I miss you guys. So if you miss me, let me know in the comment section, please. If you miss my makeup, if you miss this beautiful face, just let me know on the comment section. For me, I miss you guys. Really, I miss you guys. So I'm using my mascara just to remove those powder on my natural eyeshadow eyelashes. So I'm using gel eyeliner, and I don't know guys use that cream, that eyeliner, that water one. No, because in this summer, you know, my eyes small. When I want try to look up, I start seeing some funny lines, so I just stop it. These are my new techniques. So I use gel eyeliner now with this my small angle brush. I got it from Amazon. It is working for me. I love this angle brush. I can't do with that. I want to order another one so that I will have extra. It is giving me what I want. So I use it already. Then I want to apply my lashes. You know, you guys know. Just apply the lashes. Make sure you press it down. If it's not arranged, just drag it before the glue we dry. So you just drag it, arrange it, make sure it's okay. If it's not okay, guys, pull it and fix it again. Okay, eye is very sensitive part in our body. So when you fix your lashes and you are not comfortable with it, don't be in a haste. Remove it gently and start it all over. Okay, so but you want to fix, just look up the way I'm doing it. It's easy, okay, but for some people it's a little bit difficult. Keep doing it. There is a saying that practice makes perfect. Okay, it's like I'm talking too much, more than others. So we are doing the lips now. I just want to making it big a little so that the lipstick can come out and you guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm using my pencil. Sometimes I use pencil, sometimes I use this. I would prefer this this pencil. It's more better for me. So I'm just applying using this lipstick from Douglas. This lipstick is my baby. I love this lipstick. It's 2-in-1. You have lipstick, you have lip glow up together. So you see, I got it from Douglas. It is nice. Look at my finished look now, guys. I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, remain blessed and I love you guys. Please like this video. Like this video.